truck is back together, but today the truck has to go in for an emissions inspection test. So I'll be starting it up and taking it to get inspected. Hopefully it passes. It should pass. I put everything back together, and I'm not sure if the RevX worked yet. This is going to be the first startup in a while. It says it's 53 degrees outside right now, and I'm going to be starting it up right now. This is my ICP, fuel pressure and everything before the truck started, IPR percentage, ICP pressure. And it started right up. I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit before I take it out. There is a little bit more vibration in the cabin because I did do all poly cab mounts. So if you're not a fan of vibration, don't do the polys. Put back OEM. Off now, so I'm getting in and heading to the inspection place. Heading to go get inspection done. That's where it's sitting right now. The IPR and ICP pressure. And that's where it's at, warmed up. Still cold. This is warm idle. This is how it looks when the truck is warm. ICP, IPR. Fuel pressure looks good. The windshield was really dirty. Couldn't even see out of it. I just used a plastic scrubber pad and some barkeeper's friend to clean it up. And now it's clean. Alright, we're getting out on the road now. Leaving the inspections right now. I just passed. So now we'll see how the truck actually runs. Before it had no power. When you touch the gas, it does nothing. It has fuel pressure the whole time.
Oil pressure?
Yeah, oil pressure is high. 4,000 psi at wide open throttle. Well, 3,900. Injectors are weak, but RevX fixes it.
Oh, to clean them?
No oil or coolant leaks on the truck. And yeah, RevX definitely did the job. The engine is a bit dusty because after all the sandblasting and everything, but I'll get this all cleaned up in the future. But right now I'm just doing a quick buzz test. Alright, now it's connecting. My IPR, ICP, and fuel pressure were all good during the drive. The truck does have a little more power now after the RevX, even though it's only got about 20 miles on it and a lot of idling time, because I just got the bed back on, so I haven't been able to drive the truck that much. Self-test. And here it goes, injector self-test. Alright, there it goes. So I have a lot of injectors that are not even clicking. I mean, they are clicking, but very quietly. You can barely notice them. All the injectors clicked, but a lot of them were so quiet you could barely hear them. So the RevX did not make them click any louder. They still click, but very quietly. Sometimes they wouldn't click at all, but now all of them are clicking, but the ones that are clicking are very quiet. There is a little bit more power in the truck, even with this barely clicking. They're failing the buzz test, in my opinion, but the test says it completed successfully and there's no errors. But if you listen, you can hear that 4 of them are very quiet. It could get better with more mileage. Like I said, I only have 20 miles on the truck right now, so maybe the RevX will make them a little better over time with more mileage, maybe a couple hundred miles. But with only 20 miles, it didn't do that much, but it did help a little. I decided to run a hot test and see if it's any different, so I let the oil temperature heat up to about 150 degrees, and now I'm going to try a hot test here. So with the engine hot, the injectors all click good. They all sound good. When the engine's cold, 4 of them don't click or buzz. So if I give the RevX more time, it may be able to fix the injectors and loosen them up and fix the stiction a little better. I want the injectors to be able to click when they're cold as well as hot. So when they're hot, they click good. When they're cold, they don't click. But hopefully the RevX can fix that after a couple thousand miles. Because like I said, I definitely felt a big power difference. So when the truck is hot, the RevX is working and the truck definitely has more power. versus before you would just give it gas and the truck wouldn't do anything.